even just in learning how to walk, they do.
It stresses
they
them out,
fall
too.
A lot of times it's stressful. They may get bumps and bruises, and they need to have their bodies massaged and get some circulation in all of their limbs, and then this will help with muscle tone, helps with yeah.
Yes, you make, of course, all those little noises. You can tell they enjoy it, like, oh.
How does that feel? Now he's starting to relax a little bit more.
Yes, is this true?
There, work on your arm. It feels a little tight. Yeah, with crawling and walking, they'll be using muscles in ways that they never have before. And so just getting increased circulation in those muscles and getting
Thank you.
areas of stagnation loosened up. Yay!
So there you go. See, now he's like, thank you, baby.
You starting to feel better? Yeah, I always try to encourage the parents to get massages because it's so important to get body work.
It's just like massaging him feels so rewarding, It's like they're so relaxed. You're just like, yeah.
Well, they sleep better.
Yes.
Digestion is better. They're in a better mood.
I was gonna say they're happy, and you can tell they enjoy it.
Yay! Hi. That muscle in your arm is tight. So you can adjust the amount of pressure dependent upon each individual baby. Some of them need a little bit more pressure to actually get the circulation into the muscle. But they'll tell you, you can see as we're starting to work, you can see his arms getting a little red, so that means increased circulation. But he's there. He's not pulling away because of discomfort. He just wants to play with the oil. So he'll give you a indication if there's a tight muscle. He'll definitely let you know, so you don't have to worry about if you press too hard or.
No, I'm never afraid of pressing too hard.
You can do kind of like a stripping, stretching, range of motion both ways. And then work out to the hands. Each individual finger.
No, he's not even pulling away.
No, he loves it.